We are living in interesting times. The global order, often seen as the US-led rules-based international order, is under stress. Allow me now then to invite Mr. Kevin Rudd to share with us his reflections on US-China relations, North Korea, and the future of the global order.
3 days ago, the Chinese Communist Party concluded its Central Work Conference on Foreign Affairs, the second since Xi Jinping became General Secretary of the party and Chairman of the Central Military Commission back in October of 2012. The last one of these conferences was held in November of 2014. So what is new in this conference that's just been held? So what changes with the 2018 Foreign Policy Work Conference? Is it more of the same or simply an intensification of the trajectory? The answer is all of the above, a blend of continuity and change. Let me run through 5 areas. The first, a new role for the party and ideology in foreign policy. The second, there's a new ideological confidence that history now favours China. A third change, towards a more sharply focused Chinese diplomacy. Fourth change, China leading the reform of global governance. And finally, China's core national interests. But what we are seeing is the slow, steady emergence of a more integrated Chinese worldview, which links China's domestic vision with its international vision, and a vision which very much reflects the deep views of China's paramount leader Xi Jinping. The future of the global order is now in a state of some flux, in part induced by the recent posture of the United States, in part induced by the rise of China. China, it seems, has a clear script for the future. It's time for the rest of the international community to do the same.